If you want to eat and live like an Italian, make Italian sushi. Let's go. Start by layering the prosciutto, add in some arugula microgreens, sun-dried tomatoes, burrata, and balsamic glaze. Now you can roll it up, cut into pieces, and don't forget to follow for more. If you're not making my 15-minute one-pot sushi cake, you are missing out. And all I do is I layer thin slices of sushi-grade salmon and tuna on top of some plastic wrap. I add thin slices of avocado, cucumber, and cooked sushi rice. Press that down, add a sheet of nori, invert the pan, and then add your favorite toppings. If you love this video, follow for more. I bet you didn't know you can make a single serving of sushi bake in just a few minutes. Let's go. To a small bowl or ramekin, press down the cooked rice. In a separate bowl, mix the cream cheese, mayo, sriracha, sesame oil, and soy sauce. Toss in the shrimp and give it a mix. Spread it evenly on top of the cooked rice. Bake until golden in a few minutes on broil. Top with extra spicy mayo and follow for more. If you're craving sushi, make my 15-minute chicken bake cups instead. Let's go. Cut the chicken into tiny little cubes, add a little bit of oil, measure seasonings with your heart, add the spicy mayo, give it a mix. Cut the nori into squares, season the cooked rice with rice vinegar, and place some rice onto the nori. Pop those in a muffin tin and top off with the chicken. Bake, enjoy with more spicy mayo, and follow for more. If you only have 10 minutes to prep and you want to eat and live like a Hawaiian, you can make your own poke bowls. Let's go. Cube the sushi grade ahi tuna, add it to a bowl with soy sauce, rice vinegar, sesame oil, agave, green onion, and sesame seeds. Mix and let it rest in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, serve it over fluffy rice with your favorite toppings and spicy mayo. Follow for more. If I only have 5 minutes for breakfast, lunch, or a snack, I'm making my viral cucumber salmon rolls. Start by cutting the top of a cucumber until it's nice and flat, and then cut out these beautiful strips. Overlap them one another and then pat them down with paper towel. Add any creamy cheese of choice, smoked salmon, and slices of avocado. Roll it up gently and then cut into pieces. And don't forget to follow me for more. You've just come across the best sushi bake of your life, and if you don't know how to make sushi bake, you've come to the right place. We start by cutting the nori into squares, add a little bit of cooked rice in the middle, and pop it into a muffin tin. Cut the shrimp into little pieces, add a pinch of salt. In a separate bowl, mix the mayo, cream cheese, soy sauce, and sriracha. Pour it over the shrimp and mix well. Scoop into the muffin cups and bake. Once baked, enjoy with extra spicy mayo and follow for more. If you've never tried my viral cucumber sushi rolls with spicy mayo, you're missing out. Start by peeling the top of a cucumber until it's nice and even. Then you can cut out these strips, making sure to arrange them while they overlap each other. Pat them dry on top and then cook your shrimp with any seasonings of choice. I like to add slices of avocado on top of my cucumber, add the cooked shrimp and the drizzle of spicy mayo. Roll it and then gently cut into pieces. Add another shrimp on top and follow for more. If you love sushi, you're gonna love my viral cucumber sushi boats with spicy mayo. Start by scooping the inside of a cucumber, pat it dry, add in the cooked rice, and with wet hands, pat it down so it's nice and even. To your thawed shrimp, add a touch of oil and any seasonings of choice. Cook it for 1 to 2 minutes, take it off the heat, cut into pieces, and mix with spicy mayo. Add it on top of your cucumber boats, and don't forget to follow for more. You are making a big mistake if you're not living like a Hawaiian and making my spicy salmon poke bowls. Let's go. Cube the sushi grade salmon, add it to a bowl with sriracha, soy sauce, sesame oil, rice vinegar, scallions, and sesame seeds. Mix and marinate in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. In the meantime, cook the rice and make the spicy mayo. Serve the salmon over the fluffy rice with toppings of choice, and don't forget to follow for more. You need to be making my 15-minute crispy salmon and rice bowl with spicy mayo. Let's go. Start by cooking the rice in a rice cooker or on the stove as per the package directions. Cube the salmon, add it to a bowl with honey Dijon mustard, oil, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. Give it a nice massage. Cook it in the air fryer at 350 for 8 minutes. Top it on top of your rice. You can garnish with some cucumbers, diced avocado, spicy mayo on top, sesame seeds, and a little bit of dill. Follow for more. Let me put you onto something. Breakfast, lunch, or a snack. These are my healthy, low-carb cucumber rolls. With a Y peeler, cut a few strips off the top until it's nice and flat. Cut it into these beautiful thin strips and then arrange overlapping each other. Pat down with paper towel. I add spicy mayo, good quality turkey from a farm, and avocado. Now roll it up tightly, cut into pieces, add everything but the bagel seasoning, and don't forget, follow for more.